If you want to avoid contract delays, using signing deadlines is an incredibly effective strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use signing deadlines to keep things moving and prevent unnecessary holdups in your contract processes. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal a tool that can help streamline everything and give you a special free trial exclusively for viewers of this channel. Setting clear signing deadlines is a simple but powerful way to keep contracts on track. First, let's break down why deadlines matter. Without a clear deadline, contracts can drag on forever, leading to confusion, missed opportunities, and a waste of time. Setting a signing deadline puts pressure on all parties to act quickly, which helps keep things moving smoothly and avoids unnecessary delays. One effective way to set a signing deadline is to make it clear from the very beginning. When you first discuss the contract, tell all parties that there's a fixed date by which they need to sign. Make sure this deadline is realistic, but also gives enough time for everyone to review the contract. Setting a specific date prevents any misunderstandings about when things are expected to be finalized. Another important step is to communicate the deadline clearly in writing. This is key because it keeps everyone on the same page. Whether it's in an email or as part of the contract itself, having the deadline in writing ensures that there's no confusion later on. And if you're using a contract management system like the software I'll mention in a bit, you can automate reminders to ensure that everyone knows when the deadline is coming up. Now, here's the secret to making deadlines stick: penalties for missing the deadline. It sounds a little harsh, but it's effective. You can include a clause in the contract that sets out a penalty if the deadline isn't met. This could be a small fee or some other agreed upon consequence. The fear of these penalties can motivate people to get their signatures in on time, helping you avoid delays. Another tip is to set up milestones for contract review and approval. By breaking the process into smaller chunks, you can set deadlines for each phase. This way, you're not waiting until the final deadline to see if the contract is good to go. Instead, you can review progress step by step, ensuring there are no surprises later. To keep everything running smoothly, you can use software to track these deadlines. We've tried a lot of popular tools, but the one I recommend in this video integrates all the features you need to manage contract deadlines and keep everything on schedule. This software is fantastic for automating reminders, tracking document changes, and making sure everyone is on the same page. You can get an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below, only available for my viewers. Now, let's review the key takeaways. First, setting clear signing deadlines is a must to avoid contract delays. Make sure you communicate these deadlines clearly and put them in writing. Don't forget to include penalties for missed deadlines to keep things moving. And lastly, use contract management software to help automate the process and keep everyone on track. Before I close, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked below for this software. It will make the process even easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you avoid any future contract delays.